Before your life was so boring.
Welcome back, beautiful people. I am going to share with you guys something that I've been working probably for the past 2 weeks. I am going to do some planning for the whole week. We are a family of 6 and we usually spend a lot of money on groceries, and we end up throwing a lot of food because we are not prepared. And at the end of the week, we always end up buying more things because we don't have enough, and we don't have enough time to make dinners. And by the time we all get home, we end up eating by around 8 o'clock in the night, and it's really late. And we are trying to be a little bit more healthier, get more prepared throughout the whole week, and have everything more organized throughout the whole week for the whole family. And so if you're interested on seeing how I prepare the meals for the whole week for a family of 6, then just keep watching. All right, so this is how I prepare for the week. Sorry for my handwriting. It's horrible, I know. Anyways, I try to incorporate the whole family in this. So each of my family members decided what they wanted to eat throughout the whole week. The snacks will be the same, and the only difference will be pretty much like the lunch and the dinner, because usually on the breakfast it will be similar to like fruit every day, and then we have a few smoothies on throughout the days. And our plan is to see if it works, because I've done planning and meal planning, but just for me, and it's a little bit different incorporating the whole family since we all are with different schedules. My husband works different schedules, and sometimes he doesn't get home until like super late. So we are gonna try to make the meals in order for us to not eat as much as what we used to eat.
I used to be a big quitter. I couldn't take a leap even if I knew that I should. It made me lonely and bitter, but that was all before you.
A little quick tip on how to cook your garbanzos. Since I didn't soak this overnight, because usually I will soak them in water overnight and then cook them like regular beans or any other type of greens. I boiled some water, and then I placed it in a container with the garbanzos, and then let it sit in here for like an hour and a half. And then after they are soaked for that hour or hour and a half, I cook them regularly with some garlic and bay leaves. Now, while the grains and all the meats are cooking, well, not all the meats, because I still have to grill another meat. Now it's time to prep the vegetables and the fruits. So I'm gonna cut a few of them, and then I'm just gonna wash them and put them in Ziploc bags for the meals that are not quite okay if I mix them together, because then they will, I feel like they were just gonna taste weird. So I'm just gonna prep the vegetables, and let's continue. all the vegetables in here. These ones are pre-washed already. So all I did, just rinse them out a little bit. I poured some water on all of the containers so they been soaking in here with a little bit of vinegar so they can like disinfect. And all I have to do is cut the cucumbers, cut the lettuce and put it in Ziploc bags because most of these vegetables and fruits are going to go with the containers and with meals that I'm gonna make. But the lettuce, it's for a taco salad that Ivan chose for Tuesday. So I'm gonna be putting this in a Ziploc bag so that way we can just have it ready, and all the meat that we're gonna put in a container won't, by the time we put it in the microwave, it's not gonna heat up the lettuce. So far, this is what I have. All I need to do is just grill this. Not grill, but saute the bell pepper, grill the asparagus, everything is cut. And this is all of my meats and proteins. I have black beans, the pinto beans, garbanzos, and then I have the ground beef in here. I still have some eggs that are boiling, some of the meat, and I'm now steaming the broccoli. And I have the chicken outside, but I have to clean before I set all of the containers because I don't want to have any mess. So let's clean this mess.
Should've known that it was obvious. Should've read between the lines. Caught the eyes of the audience. Played your game where the rules do not apply. Now I see when it's out in the light, and I'm leaving your love behind. Now I see that you're out of my life. I don't need you. Every day we had another fight. I was far too blind to realize that our love had got out of control. Should've known I was better off alone. Now I see when it's out in the light, and I'm leaving your love behind. Now I see that you're out of my life. I don't need you.
so after I show you guys everything that I made, now I categorize everything in dates and days. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and all of those are lunches, and it's only for 4 days because they only go for 4 days: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I didn't do anything for Saturday and Sunday for those because obviously we're gonna be home. But a few years back, I did bought like this sticky things at the dollar store, and I think I was using it for labels, you see. Never got to finish them, so now I'm gonna use this so I can actually put, I was going to put a sticker on every single container, but then that is going to take me a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to be placing them on the top and mark it as Monday dinner, and then, I mean, not Monday, Tuesday dinner, and then Tuesday snack. Obviously, the lunch doesn't need to be tagged because it's pretty much the same, other than one day has cucumbers and carrots, the other day has grapes, and alternated. And then for the snacks, since I didn't have no more containers, which if you guys see, these ones are different. So I think I don't think I need to invest in another pack of this. So that way you could like have for the rest. And that's why I had these ones in here. But these are celery, cucumber, and an egg. That's what they wanted. They chose the boiled eggs. So hopefully we can have different snacks for the following week. And if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. Hope you guys are enjoying this, guys. Okay, guys, so this is what I came out with. My kids love to eat meat, and that is why you guys see a little bit a difference on this one, because this one, it's mine. I actually made mine the same in here. All I'm gonna be doing is adding some, I'm not sure what I wanna put in here, but probably avocado. And then that it's only for me for Tuesday through Friday, because today is Monday and we didn't go to work or to school. So pretty much I remade the chicken. So I got 2 different meals with the same chicken, and then 2 different meals with the meat. The ground beef, we have a lot of leftovers. I end up with a lot of leftovers from garbanzos, pinto beans, black beans, and ground beef. So that food, it's going to be reused over the weekend. But for the kids, all I did was their breakfast. It is going to be a little bit different because we are going to be making the breakfast in the mornings, which it's not that hard because it's just, sometimes I'll make them some oatmeal or scrambled eggs, and I'll probably going to be documenting that part to share with you guys what we actually ate in a day, and that it's including myself and the kids, also my husband. For him, it's going to be a little bit more different because he works all day, and even though he's gonna take the lunch and then the snack, I still gotta make sure to give him something a little bit more heavier than this, because he usually gets home around 8, 9, depending. And then if I give him any of this food, there is no microwave where he can heat this up. So that's why I have to give him a little bit different, or maybe put the food like in a thermal. So this is what we end up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just the first week that we are actually doing this. With the whole family. I've done it before, but it was just me, and now I include the whole family in this. So I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the week if we liked it or what are we going to change, because I'm pretty sure we are gonna change a few things since they are not used to eating in portions like this, because they eat at school sometimes and sometimes they don't. And so by the time they get home, they are super, super hungry and they end up overeating. So I hope that this will change a little bit of how we live and like the lifestyle for the kids and for us and even for me, because with this, it's a lot of saving of the time throughout the whole week, since I don't have to cook again other than just the breakfast in the mornings. But again, it's not a lot. It's just a little simple things for them and for them to take their lunches. Everything is going to be made already. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are going to try any of this. And if you do, tag me over on Instagram. I would love to see what you guys recreate for your meal plans over the week. And make sure to subscribe if you're not part of the little family that we have right here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.